strap it down at 4 points. So it's safe. You grab, that will be, yeah. Pretty sturdy. Right, so now we need to
Okay, hi guys, I'm back in Magic Custom, and as you can see here we got a frame from hd.troublemaker Sportster, which I think will have a new name soon as well, but that's up to Matt. And today I'll be putting a few bits together, triple trees, forks, swing arm, wheels, jiffy stand and handlebar, so it's not bad. And as you can see, frame looks already way better than it was. On my last video I said that we'll be sending it somewhere, but Matt did it by himself. He powder coated pretty much everything we will be doing today. He still has a few bits to do, but that's for next episode. What else? I'm very excited to start working on it, and we're hoping that by the end of the day today we'll be able to roll it around, and it will be definitely looking more like a bike than it looks right now. So yeah, keep watching and let me know what you think about my mechanical skills. Yeah, enjoy and see you later. So we're starting with the triple trees. I had a little help from the guys before I came to the shop today. So the bearings were already installed in the frame. That's a big help for me because it saves me a lot of time. Here's a little tab to place everything correctly.
that you can just nip up for now. That doesn't need talking about.
Okay, next step, we had to jack it up a little to slide the forks in. As well, the forks were extended by a couple of inches, so that will give us slightly different look, more customized to the whole build, which is pretty much the point of having a customized bike, isn't it? This part is pretty straightforward. We're sliding one fork in, then the next one, so that's done. As you can see, it presents very well. I think I will go with the swing arm right now. The second thing, it's another part that Matt powder coated.
How good does that swing arm look like compared to what it was? Do you remember it?
Oh my gosh, that's so rusty.
Yeah, you're gonna have to bring up pictures of that for everybody to see. Look how good this has come out.
Good job powder coating it. Yay!
I tell you what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get another soft thing for the back.
Got it?
Sit it up. And then you need to nut on. Is there a washer with it or not?
No.
It's okay.
I just remember. Next, I quickly moved to the rear suspension. That was quite easy to do. I had Matt helping me out. Of course, he supervised me throughout the whole process, so don't worry, nothing happened to the bike. That goes from this side and that goes from this. Right?
Sit.
That's it. And then just tighten
And
it.
what's the just
Yeah, bit of Loctite. Just a tiny bit. I don't know how this bit. It'd be easier if you just use that without the extension. If I'm honest.
really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it'd be less wobbly. That'll be. That's good. Cool, switch your hair.
I don't have my hair out. I will be taking it down.
Careful, careful. So if you put the
Yeah.
put the spacing in.
That's all right.
Yeah. Slide that in.
Does it matter which side you put the ABS?
Yeah. There's a special bearing, so that's that one. It's just like a magnet.
Okay.
Okay.
That looks so good with the wheel.
Put your axle through.
Woohoo. Okay.
This.
Start the wheel here. Now it's time for the rear wheel and the handlebar and the front light, and pretty much that'll be all for today, I guess.
Almost, yeah.
Yeah. Cool stuff. Look how pretty.
Should be retro as well.
So we are missing the ABS sensor,
Yeah, the
which is somewhere in the box.
The ABS sensor and the caliper carrier, which is being lasered at the minute so we can then powder coat it. We're thinking yellow to match what we're doing with the tank, which hopefully next time we will have and Ava can stick on.
Yeah, so we'll be back to this part, but so far we want it to be rolling. Are you going to refresh tunnels? They have red.
this stuff in it. Which is what's about. So just start from first. Started? Yeah, I think it has a little. Put the other one in that as well. Sweet. That's it. Time to pitch up. 3/4 spanning. Or right foot. Whatever you use. Easy as a red.
Okay, people, so wrap it up for today. Was a quick one, but I think we managed to do quite a few things. So I'll show you around. Yeah, and that will be it. Let's see what will happen in the next episode. Bye!